During that time, what will happen, the suspended particle which are there in the water, or the suspended and settleable particle which are there in the water, it is going to get the enough amount of time, due to the enough amount of time, due to the since all these particles are having its own weight due to its own specific gravity, right, the particle is going to get settled down at the bottom, and it is going to get settled down, and hence the supernatant water will be free from, okay, it will be free from the solids which are suspended solids which are present in water. Okay, so here what will happen, the sum of the suspended particle and the sum of the settlable particle, as we have given some amount of detention time, what is going to happen, the particle is going to get settled down at the bottom, and the supernatant water will be free from the suspended solids, and it is going to be get removed. So here in this particular setting tank, what we are going to do is we are going to remove the finer suspended particle or settlable particle which are there in the water. Okay, so here it is also going to contribute in the BOD. Okay, BOD reduction. It is going to remove the BOD of around 30 to 35%, and also it is going to remove the suspended particle by amount of 60 to 65%. It is going to remove the suspended particles which are present in it. Along with that, it is also going to remove around 25 to 75% of the bacterial load which are present in the wastewater. Okay, so this is how your settling tank is going to help. Regarding all these things, we are going to study in detail later. Now, your activated sludge process. This ASP stands for activated sludge process. The effluent which are coming out from your primary sedimentation tank, here it is going to come out, and here it is going to be gets mixed with the activated sludge which is present here. The oxidation of these organic particle is going to takes place, and it is going to remove the around 80 to 95% of the your BOD value which is there in the wastewater. So once you are going to remove this 80 to 95% of the BOD value, if you are going to remove, then maximum of the contaminants which are there in the wastewater, it is going to be get removed. It is going to here the effluent which is coming from your primary sedimentation, your primary settling tank, is going to mix with around 20 to 30% of its own sludge, and here the oxidation of the organic elements is going to take place, due to which the BOD reduction will be there. So there is around 80 to 95% of the BOD value, it is going to be get removed by using the activated sludge process, and around 90 to 95% of the bacterial load is going to be get removed. Then the effluent which is going to come out from the settling tank, here again we are going to get settled down all the your settlable particles which are there in the water. Here we will be using the oxidation pond and oxidation ditches. Here we are going to remove whatever the sludge that has been settled down, that we are going to get removed in the final settling tank, and then finally we will be getting the effluent. Okay, so here all these things you need to mention, you need to explain brief regarding screening, what screening does, what is its BOD removal efficiency, what is its suspended solids removal efficiency, what communities does, what is its work, then grid chambers, how it is going to remove BOD, how it is by what quantity it is going to remove the suspended solids, then settling tank, what it does, right, by what quantity it is going to reduce BOD, right, ASP, what is its work, by what quantity it is going to reduce the BOD, then settling tank, all these things you need to briefly explain. When they are going to ask regarding the flow diagram of the wastewater treatment plant, you need to explain by what quantity it is going to remove the BOD value and how it is going to work, that you need to explain. Okay, now regarding all these treatment units, like screening is going to have the large screen, medium screen, its construction, operation, maintenance, that we are going to discuss in detail in our further classes. So this is regarding your flow diagram of a wastewater treatment plant. Normally this is going to be asked in your main exam. With the neat flow diagram, you need to explain all these treatment units. Okay, so this is what regarding the flow diagram of a wastewater treatment plant. In the next classes we will discuss regarding all these things in detail. Thank you.